Hi, my name is Olivier Martineau and I'm 19 years old. I've been studying accounting and management for 1 year. In this program, I see how to do financial states, taxes, and financial management. In this field, there's a lot of specific, plausible, and worthwhile challenges. When you do financial states for a business, it is very easy to do errors because you have a lot of numbers to write. To remedy the situation, you will need to reread everything you write to limit mistakes. You will also be able to start your own business, and this is a real satisfaction. After this program, you can immediately go find a job in your field of study, or you can go to university to continue further. If you choose this way, you will have to do the certified accounting exam. The website I present today is cpacanada.ca. In a new tab, I will write this URL in the address bar: cpacanada.ca. First, what you see in the navigation menu are all the things you can do with this website. Here, you can learn more about the CPA profession. CPA is the abbreviation of Chartered Professional Accountants. There is a lot of information to know. Secondly, if you click on Become a CPA, it will explain how to become a CPA, why you should choose this field, and you can also learn more things about CPA certification program. Thirdly, if you click on Earn the ACAF, you will learn more about how to obtain the Advanced Certificate in Accounting and Finance. You can also see a video that explains all you need to know about the ACAF. Then, these three features of the website were the primary and the most important ones. You can also click on the top right corner of the screen on My Account to create one or to log in with an existing account. To the right side of My Account menu, you will have the CPA Store, all the ways to contact the website's creators, and a menu to change the website language to French. What I love with this website is you can see all that you need to do to be a certified professional accountant. You can also see a lot of news and information to avoid some errors like the one I said in my introduction. It can seem to be very difficult to become a CPA, but with determination, you can have your certification. This website will definitely help me to be more aware, avoid mistakes, and to earn my certification. Thanks for watching my screencast, and I hope I shared with you some good information about this website and how you can be a certified professional accountant. Goodbye.